Welcome to my channel, my friend. Let me ask you a powerful question. Have you ever studied English for months or even years and still feel like you cannot speak fluently? You know the grammar, you know many words. But when it's time to speak, your mouth is quiet. You freeze, your brain feels slow, your voice disappears. You begin to think maybe English is too hard. Maybe you're not good at languages. Maybe you are too old. Maybe you started too late. But what if I told you none of that is true? What if I told you that you could improve your English fast starting today? Not by working harder, but by learning smarter. Stay with me, because in this video, I will show you a new way. A way that works for real learners like you. Simple, natural, powerful. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1. Why you never needed grammar to speak English. My friend, I want to tell you something very important. Something most people will never say. You are not bad at English. You are not too old. You are not too slow. You simply learned in a way that does not work for real speaking. For years, schools and books told you that grammar is everything. They told you to memorize rules, write answers, pass tests. And maybe you did. Maybe you passed many exams. But still, when someone talks to you in English, you feel nervous. Your mind goes blank. You try to find the right word, but nothing comes. You feel embarrassed. You stay quiet. You start to believe that speaking English is not for you. But that belief is wrong. It is not your fault. The truth is, you were taught to learn English with your eyes, not with your ears, not with your mouth. You were trained to study English, not to live it. Let me ask you, how did you learn your first language? You were a baby. You could not read. You could not write. You simply listened. You watched. You copied. You spoke. Slowly, naturally, step by step. You made mistakes, but you kept going. Nobody told you to memorize grammar rules. Nobody gave you a test. And yet, you learned to speak fluently. This is the natural way, and this is the way you must return to if you want to speak English fast. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are reading your notebook. You see the word beautiful. You write it 5 times. You repeat it. You think, I know this word. But the next day, your friend says, your country is beautiful. And suddenly your brain feels heavy. You recognize the word, but you cannot answer. You feel slow. You feel stuck. Why? Because you only studied the word. You didn't use it. You didn't hear it in real life. You didn't say it in a real sentence. So your brain doesn't know what to do. This happens again and again. You know many words on paper, but you cannot use them in a real conversation. And this makes you feel like a failure. But you are not a failure. You are simply learning in the wrong way. The real problem is this. You are using your eyes more than your mouth. You read more than you speak. You write more than you listen. You focus on grammar before real communication. You wait for the perfect sentence, the perfect word, the perfect moment. But that perfect moment never comes. That perfect sentence never arrives. So you stay silent. And silence is the enemy of fluency. Every day you stay silent, your fear grows stronger, and your confidence becomes weaker. But here is the truth that can set you free. Fluency comes from mistakes. Real fluency is not born from perfection. It is born from trying, from failing, from speaking even when you are not ready. Think again about children. They say funny words. They make grammar mistakes. They mix everything. But they don't stop. They laugh. They try again. And with time, they speak beautifully. You must become like that child again. You must give yourself permission to speak badly at first, to be slow, to forget words, because that is not weakness. That is the path to strength. Many learners are trapped in a circle. First, they study. Then, they forget. Then, they study again. Then, they forget again. It's like running on a treadmill. You sweat, you try, but you never move forward. You are tired, but you are not free. You think more grammar will fix it, but it doesn't. Because grammar is not the key. Speaking is the key. Real English is not in books. Real English is in your mouth, in your ears, in your daily life. So how do you break the circle? First, you accept that you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start speaking. One sentence today. That's all. Maybe you say, I am learning English, or today is a good day. You say it out loud. You smile. You say it again. That sentence is not small. It is powerful. It is the beginning of your fluency. The reason most learners stay stuck is not because they are lazy. It is because they are afraid. Afraid of being wrong. Afraid of sounding stupid. Afraid of people laughing. But my friend, fear is a lie. Fear tells you to stay quiet. But silence keeps you stuck. You must speak anyway. You must feel the fear and speak anyway. Because every time you speak, even with mistakes, you win. Every mistake is not a failure, it is a teacher. Every word you speak out loud is progress. Your English grows not from knowing, but from doing. So today, just speak. One sentence, one thought, one moment. Speak in the morning. Speak to the mirror. Speak to yourself. Don't wait. Don't say, tomorrow I will try. Number. You can speak today. You can begin now. This is your small step. And small steps create big changes. Grammar can wait. Vocabulary can wait. But your voice cannot wait anymore. You are ready. You are not stuck. You just need to change the way you learn. From eyes to mouth. From fear to courage. From study to speaking. And when you do that, your English will not just improve. It will grow faster than ever. This is the new way. The natural way. The way that works. Let's keep going. Because in Chapter 2, I will show you the simple daily method that can change your English forever. Are you ready? Let's go. Chapter 2. The daily English method that changes everything. My friend, let me ask you something simple. Have you ever tried to learn something new, maybe the guitar or cooking or driving, and thought, I will practice for 6 hours today and I will be great? Maybe you tried that one day, but the next day you were tired. The next day you skipped, and soon you forgot everything. English is the same. You don't become fluent by studying hard for one day. You become fluent by touching English every single day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. This is the daily English method. The method that works not just for smart people, not just for students, but for real people. People like you. People who are busy. people who are tired, people who don't have perfect grammar, but have a strong heart and a big dream. You see, the real secret is not in doing more. The real secret is in doing less, but doing it every day. That's how real fluency begins. Imagine you are trying to brush your teeth. Would you do it for 3 hours on Sunday and then forget for the rest of the week? Number. You brush every day. Just 2 minutes. That is enough. It keeps your teeth clean. It builds a healthy habit. Now think of English the same way. You don't need to spend 2 hours every day with grammar books. You just need a few minutes where you speak, where you listen, where you use English in real life. And this small habit, repeated daily, will change your future. Let me give you another picture. Think of the gym. One person goes for 6 hours once a month. Another person goes for 15 minutes every day. Who becomes stronger? Not the one who goes once and disappears, but the one who shows up daily, even for a short time. English is not about big effort once. It's about small steps every day. So how can you do this? Start with your life, not with textbooks. Start with your room. Start with your mirror. Start with your day. Every morning say 1 or 2 sentences in English. I am brushing my teeth. The sun is bright. I am drinking tea. These small sentences may look silly, but they are not silly. They are gold. They are your training. They are your practice. You are not just saying words. You are teaching your brain to live in English. You are building the most powerful habit in language learning, speaking without pressure. Maybe you say, but I don't have time. My friend, you have time. You are reading this right now. You can speak while you cook. You can speak while you walk. You can speak while you look in the mirror. This is my face. These are my eyes. I am smiling. This is real English. This is your English. No pressure, no fear, just life, just language, just progress. Let me tell you a small story. A learner once came to me and said, I try to study, but I always stop. I feel tired. I feel bored. I asked him one question. Are you studying for a long time? He said, yes. I try to do 1 hour every weekend. And that was the problem. He made English a heavy job, a big task, and so he avoided it. I told him, forget 1 hour, do 5 minutes a day. He was surprised, but he tried. Every morning he said a few simple sentences. That's it. No grammar, no writing, just speaking. 1 week later, he felt stronger. 1 month later, he could talk about his day. 1 year later, he was speaking with confidence. That is the power of daily English. You do not need the perfect book. You do not need the perfect teacher. You need 1 small sentence today, 1 minute of speaking, 1 habit that you can repeat. Because when you practice every day, English becomes part of your life. It becomes normal. It becomes easy. You stop thinking so much. You stop translating. You just speak. So how can you begin today? It's simple. Pick 1 time in your day, maybe after breakfast, maybe before sleep. Use 5 minutes to speak. Talk about your day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Say what you are doing. Describe what you see. This is my table. I am holding my phone. I am feeling tired. That's it. If you do this every day, your brain will change. Your mouth will move faster. Your confidence will grow. And you will become the kind of speaker you always wanted to be. Remember, the real secret is not talent. It is not grammar. It is not even time. The real secret is habit. Fluency is not one big step. It is many small steps taken daily. Each time you speak, you take a step. Each time you listen, you take a step. Each time you show up, you take a step. And very soon, you will look back and see how far you have come. So, my friend, do not wait for the weekend. Do not wait for the perfect day. That day will never come. Today is the perfect day. This moment is your moment. Promise yourself that you will speak at least one sentence every day. Just one. And you will see how fast your English grows. This is the daily method. Simple, real, powerful. It belongs to you now. And now, if this video helped you, please like it and share it with another learner. Leave a comment with one English sentence you said today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because every week I will bring you more tips, more lessons, and more motivation to keep you going. You are not alone on this journey. I am with you. Speak daily, speak simply, and soon you will speak freely. See you in the next video.